Saseni guys, it's a girl Lily here looking like 1960. Yeah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new viewer, karibu sana. Please subscribe and hit the bell button. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the confidence squad. Guys, I don't know why nowadays I'm so excited about doing these videos. Anyway, so I'm going to show you style your natural hair, and you will find out that it's very simple if only you follow the steps that I will show you. Personally, sikuwa najua naweza fanya hii style. Actually, I tag Karo Kendi for showing me. Thank you girl. Sikuwa najua naweza twist nywele yangu, but now I know I can do it. I can do anything in this world so long as I have the psych and the will. But as long as you have the psych and the will, you can move the world. Like, you can do anything. So let's get started, guys. So first step, kulingana na the size of the makeba you want, you divide your hair accordingly. And then I'll be using hair food. Sometimes I use but I have a variety of hair food, so sahi natumia hii miadi. Then nilikuwa nimebuy hizi elastic bands, best lady, yes, best lady. So nimechagua za black. Mimi nataka kutumia za black, so unaweza enda ununue ukitaka kutumia white, ama if you want to use another color, it's upon you, baby girl. Okay, kidogo tu tunaanza. Zenzo zimeanguka, nilikuwa naziokota. So guys, let me tuanze. Nafikiria kumute your music, but still I need the motivation, so acha tufanye video kwa ina play on the background. I hope it'll later issues. So okay, the first thing, nita divide into lines hivi kwenda chini, then you divide into the sizes that I want. Alafu acha tutufanye. Sawa. I hope hapo ndo katikati. I know you can notice that my hair iko na growth mingi sana hata kama ni natural. Reason is I did not blow dry for the last, I don't know, a whole month, I guess, and I'm not planning to go to the salon anytime soon. Sijiski kusuka, you guys. I just want to do these easy styles and to stay with my natural hair, nika feel kidogo. Okay, so guys, you go dividing, you divide the whole line yote hivyo, ukishika na easy elastic bands, then ukuja divide kwa line. So let me do it for the whole head, huh? Guys, I'm done with the first half. Now I'm going to the second half. Yo guys, I'm done doing the nimemaliza kugawa, so nimebakiza kutwist. So it's pretty simple. Nitaonyesha kwanza. Like unachukua this part, like the first, this one, then you just twist. If you feel rough in your hands, unaweza tumia mafuta, like upake mafuta kidogo so that it can be easier for you. Na pia ndo nywele, by the time umalize, nywele iko ina shine na pia uko umeifidisha mafuta, yeah. So junataka zai side ziegemei side na zai side ziegemei side, nita twist nikiegemeza mkono hivi. See? Tatafanya hii ya pili tuone. Look. Acha nifanye zote. Stand by. Guys, I'm done. And as usual, kuna tule tu twenye tuna misbehave. Look. But the point of the video was to give you the idea on how you can make your own natural Twist Makeba. Now you have an idea. You can give them a taste of gold or silver. Huku kwa tips unaweza ka zile beads za gold ama silver if you want to. Kama ujiski unaweza ka tu hivyo. So thank you guys for watching, and comment, let me know what you think. I honestly don't know why when yeah, I'm not the only one. When you're doing tutorials, ebu ta comment uniambia kama ni mimi peke yangu. Kila time nikifanya tutorials kitu inaenda hewa ya like sasa ona hizi zina backfire sai tu hapa mbele ya kamera, and kama singekuwa mbele ya kamera azingekuwa zina backfire. But you guys, I hope mmepata concept. Thank you for watching. Napenda